Are you looking for the best archery targets in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best archery targets that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To see the more information about these products, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Morel Yellow Jacket Supreme 3. This archery target is one of the most rugged and durable models currently available, as it is developed to be able to take thousands of shots from a compound bow. The construction of the product makes it possible for the users to be able to remove the arrows with ease. You'll only need to use 2 fingers to get them out of the target. In case you need to use your archery target elsewhere other than your basement or backyard, you don't need to worry about anything with this model, as it is equipped with a handle and grommets. As such, you will be able to take it with you everywhere you go, and even hang it on a tree if that's what you feel like doing. It's also worth noting that the target cover can be replaced, so if you notice that it gets damaged over time, all you need to do is get another one. Finally, the graphics of this option make it easy to target even when the light conditions aren't exactly excellent. One thing we'd like to point out about this is that it doesn't withstand the abuse of bears and wildlife, so avoid leaving it on the woods floor. Take it with you indoors. Moving on, at number 4. We have the Field Logic Hurricane Archery Bag Target H25. Hunters and competitive shooters will appreciate this bag target, which comes with everything they need to improve the accuracy of their aim. This bag target also features a durable construction, and comes at a surprisingly affordable price considering its versatile design. Recommended for use with field tips, this target can easily help you become a better archer. The bright cover makes it easy to see where to aim to hit the black dots during target practice, along with the clearly marked vital organs on the reverse side. The durable construction ensures that this bag target can withstand hundreds of repeated hits, while also being able to effectively stop field tips from light and heavy compound bows. One of the main advantages associated with this bag target is how easy it is to remove the bolts from the center. Field tips smoothly slide out without ripping or tearing, though it should be mentioned that this model is not recommended for use with broad tips or expandables. The lightweight 5-pound construction also makes it easy to hang or mount the bag, and you will appreciate the attached handle for convenient carrying. While this bag target is designed for use indoors, it will help you improve your aim and skill level. At number 3, we have the Field Logic Glendal Prerut Buck 3D. Hunters are always looking for ways to improve their skills with their bow setups before the next season, and this 3D target will help archers hone their aim and accuracy. It features a durable construction and realistic design that can be easily used by beginners as well as experienced archers. The sturdy construction can withstand repeated hits with field tips, and it is also designed to withstand most weather conditions. The lifelike buck measures 36 inches at the shoulders, so you can also use this 3D target to practice the accuracy of your stance and aim. Styled after a 250-pound buck, you can easily get a sense of where you should be aiming your shoots. This target has a shooting surface that is 7 times larger than similar models, making it ideal for first-time and younger archers. The 4-sided core target can stop bolts up to 390 feet per second, for an even more realistic experience than with other 3D targets. The sturdy metal pipe securely holds the target in the ground, and you will love how easy it is to remove field tips from the center. Constructed and designed to take a beating during practice, this 3D buck target will get you ready for this year's hunting season. At number 2, we have the Field Logic Block Black B20. Measuring 20 by 20 by 16 inches, this foam block target is perfect for beginners and experienced archers who just want to practice and improve their aim. The block presents 4 sides with clearly marked targets that will help you improve aim and accuracy, and the white on black design ensures that it can be clearly seen from a distance. This block features 4 sides with plenty of targets, and its vivid pattern makes this a great choice for close range and distance shooting. The sturdy target features a polyfusion design that extends its life by making the arrows easier to remove. Since the arrows simply slid out of the target, there is less risk of the foam ripping or tearing. It should be noted that this foam block target works best with field tips, which also helps to prolong its life. Since the field tips easily slide out of the target, there is less of a chance for you to develop arm fatigue, which often results in longer practice sessions. Its large size makes it a perfect target for backyard shooting with friends and family, and its lightweight construction makes this block target extremely easy and convenient to transport to and from the practice field. And finally, at number 1. We have the Bone Collector 400 F.P.S. Whether you are simply honing your skills or learning how to accurately aim and shoot with your bow, this foam block target might be just what you are looking for. It comes with a durable construction that is resistant to almost all types of weather, making it ideal for target practice outside. The bright yellow cover and clearly marked targets are also easy to see, and can be used to improve your accuracy at a distance. The durable foam will effectively stop field points, and it is designed specifically for easy arrow removal. The bolts will easily slide out of the target without ripping or tearing the foam. The durable internal structure prevents the cube from collapsing due to repeated hits, and provides the strength it needs to effectively stop shots up to 400 feet per second. You will appreciate the different target options that will help you work on improving your aim and accuracy. The dart board and pool ball style targets can be used to create fun accuracy games with fellow archers that will improve your skills for the upcoming hunting season or next competition. The Bone Collector is one of the best archery targets for use with field tips. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.